Try this to fix unexpected low audio volume on Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a couple of quick fixes for those of you experiencing low audio volume playback on Windows 11. Whether you're watching videos, listening to music or gaming, this video is for you. First thing first, if your audio is low, let's make sure your volume levels are set correctly. Head over to the speaker icon on your system tray and click on it. From there, select Open Volume Mixer. Make sure all the sliders are turned up high enough for decent audio. Sometimes it's just a matter of adjusting these settings. If that does not solve the problem, the next step is to check your sound settings. Right-click on speaker icon again and select Sound Settings. This will take you to a menu where you can adjust various audio options. Sometimes audio enhancement can actually cause issues with playback volume. In the sound settings, look for any enhancement that might be enabled. Try disabling them to see if that improves your audio. And there you have it. A couple of simple steps help you fix a low audio volume on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Keep an eye out for fresh content updated regularly.